The pandemic enforced lockdown saw consumers turn to e-commerce with a vengeance. With brick and mortar stores remaining closed due to the restriction imposed by the authorities, consumers turned to e-commerce like nobody's business. Players in this segment had to innovate to stay in sync and demonstrate depth to cater to the consumer's implicit needs and listening to them and then moving with agility to respond to the increased demand. Bristle, that's brand and sync listing, assessed every brand and its move in 2020. Four brands stood out in the highly competitive category of retail e-commerce, and these brands made it to the Bristle shortlist of 2020. The exhaustive and rigorous process assessing brand performance on the stringent Bristle criteria led us to the four brands, and I wish to congratulate each one of them. The brands are Myntra, Big Basket, Nykaa, and Amazon India. Finally, one brand stood apart and it gets the Bristle citation for being the brand in sync in 2020. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the Bristle citation for 2020 in retail e-commerce category goes to Amazon India. Congratulations. In the same breath, I would like to mention that a special mention for retail e-commerce category has been awarded by the Bristle jury and Met Council to Nykaa. On behalf of everyone at Bristle, congratulations to the team.